Tango 21 Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
Yeah, Tango 21 Mr Chippie, that's fine, over.
Roger that, so I'll move on to Scratchy Corner.
Roger. Calling Mr Chippie, Tango 21.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, are you receiving?
Well, that's a bit scratchy. Are you on the external mic?
No, this is the internal mic. I'm just walking towards, away from the trees over.
Okay, yes, that's fine then in that case. Can you just talk closely to it, just as a demonstration, rather than away from it, over?
Yep, Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, how's that?
Yeah, that's fine, because people are going to say it sounds really at the back of the box, of course, when you're doing it on purpose for the demonstration on the video, over.
Yeah, roger that. I'll try the external mic now.
Roger, standing by for the external mic.
Yep, Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, how's that?
Of course, that's absolutely excellent, that's far better.
Yeah, roger that. Well, that's done for Scratchy Corner, so I'll see you at Wilsford Level Crossing, over.
Okay, 10-4. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Are you receiving, over?
Yep, Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, I'm receiving you loud and clear.
Yep, that's fine, thank you very much. Move on to the next one.
Roger that.
Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Are you receiving, over?
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, I'm receiving you loud and clear.
Roger, and I'm receiving you fine, that's thank you. And if you move now, we'll miss out Greyleys because it's pointless, and move on to the final one, which is Rawsby Level Crossing. And then I'd like you to try it with the normal mic and then with the accessory mic at that point, please, over.
Yeah, that's a roger. I'll see you then.
Roger. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie. Are you receiving, over?
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, I'm receiving loud and clear.
Right, well, I'm just receiving you. Do you want to go over to the accessory mic and I'll be able to hear you better, over?
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, receiving.
Yes, Roger, do a bit of walking about or follow my voice if you can do a bit while I just talk to you about nothing and pick your good spot, and I can certainly have a two-way conversation with you. Go ahead, over.
Yeah, well, your signal really doesn't change no matter where I stand, so how's that?
Actually, that's a worse position than when you spoke to me on the last, over.
Right, well, move back towards the car a bit. Is that any better?
Yes, I can hear you now. You said, is that better? It's about radio 3, over.
Roger that. Well, there you go. That concludes the test, I would say.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you what, I think the 1001 actually works better, even though it's the same chassis, over.
Well, there you go.
Well, there you are, that's fine. That concludes the test, thank you very much.
No problem. 10-10.
10-10.